Good morning, everyone. I am Shruti Jain, a certified yoga instructor. I welcome you all to With Connect Daily Yoga for doctors, an exclusive remedy for coronal remedies. With Connect Daily Yoga initiative focuses on the complete well-being, both physical and mental, of doctors more across India, ensuring one level up healthy life. So let's begin today's session. Today's theme is balance and stability, foundation of strength. So we'll begin our session with grounding. Sit erect, keeping your back and neck straight. Keep your both the palms back on your knees, palm facing upward. Adopt Chinna Mudra, touching your tip of the index finger to the tip of the thumb in your both the palms. Keeping your back and neck straight throughout the practice and gently close your eyes. Shift your awareness at your tip of the nostril and observe the natural flow of your breath. As you breathe in, feel that gentle cold air going in through your both the nostril. As you breathe out, the hot air coming through your both the nostril. Go for 2 rounds of deep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out completely out. As you breathe in, feel that cold, gentle air going in through your both the nostril to your larynx, pharynx, trachea, into your lungs. As you exhale, the hot air coming out through all the way of respiratory system through both the nostril. Now keep your right palm on your abdomen. We'll go for 3 rounds of abdominal breathing. As you breathe in, pull out your abdominal muscles out. As you exhale, your abdomen sink it in. As you breathe in, your abdominal muscles out. As you exhale, sink it in. Go for a few rounds more. Synchronize your breath and your abdominal movement. As you go deeper and deeper into your breath, try to reduce the speed of thoughts in your mind and your mind focus on your breath. Slowly exhale and stop the practice. Keep both the palm back on your knees. Now we'll begin our session with 3 rounds of Omkara chanting. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Last round. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of Omkar at your forehead region. Now slowly rub your both the palms together. Give a warm massage to your face, to your eyes, and with few blinks, slowly open your eyes. Good morning once again. Now we'll start with some loosening practices. So bend your both the legs at knee, come to Vajrasana. Apart your knees little bit. Keep your both the palms rest on the ground. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend forward, slide your both the palms in front. Rest your forehead on the ground. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. We'll go for last round. Exhale and hold for 5 counts. Stretch front as much as you can. Lengthen your spine and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Come back to center. Join your both knees together. Okay. Now, interlock your fingers. Stretch your both the hands up as you breathe in. Look up. As you exhale, release your both the hands from the side. We'll continue for 5 counts. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out through your both the nostril. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we'll go for side bending in sitting posture only. If you can't sit in Vajrasana, you can sit in cross leg posture as well. Okay? Now keep your right elbow on the ground. Breathe in up. Stretch your left arm up, try to touch your bicep to the ear and look up. Inhale, center. Simultaneously switch your sides. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. We'll go for last round and we'll hold this posture. Hold the posture, do not hold your breath. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Center towards the other side. Hold the side for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come to center. Now you can continue the next neck loosening practices in Vajrasana as well. Or either if you're not comfortable, sit in cross leg position. Sukhasana. Now we'll go for neck loosening practices. Now breathe in, take your neck up. Breathe out, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Continue. 3, down. Inhale, 4. You can keep your eyes open if you feel dizziness. Otherwise, you can continue with the closed eyes. 4. Exhale, down. Last 5. Exhale, down. Center. Now tilt your neck towards your right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Do not lift your shoulders up like this. Take your neck towards the shoulder. Center. Change. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Now we'll go for neck rotation. Drop your neck down. Chin touching your chest. Now take your neck towards your right, back, left, and down. Continue. 2, 3. Who have neck pain, avoid forward bending. They can just do half bending towards the back. 4. Last 5. Only move your neck, not your shoulders, not your back. Now we'll go for anti-clockwise. Take your neck towards your left, back, right, and down. Continue. 2, 3, 4. Last 5. Do a very slow movement. Do not jerk your neck. Inhale. Come to center. Now slowly Come to standing posture. Okay. Now we'll go for some loosening practices and backward bending and front bending. Okay. So first I'll show you, then you can continue. Legs apart, shoulder level distance between your legs. Now inhale, raise your both the arms up. Breathe in, bend back as much as you can. As you exhale, bend forward, swing your hands and inhale, come up. Okay. Now practice according to your capacity. If you can do dynamic fast, so go for fast. Otherwise, do not jerk. Just simply inhale up, exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Swing your hands and come up. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue up, down, up, down. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last round, inhale up and hold this. Hold this posture without holding your breath. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now exhale, bend forward. Hold this posture for 5. The key point is do not bend your knees. Your knee should be straight. 4, 3. If you can, try to touch your forehead to the knees. 2, and 1. Inhale, come up, raise your arms. Exhale, down. So now next we'll go for Trikonasana, which will increase our balance and stability in the same posture. So what you have to do, legs apart according to your height. Okay. Now shift your right ankle towards your right side. Bend your right knee at your 90 degree. Okay, so your right thigh should be parallel to the ground. Now breathe in, raise your arms up. Bend front little bit more and hold this posture. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your right toe towards your right side. Turn your left toe towards your left and we'll go for other side also. Bend your left knee at 90 degree and hold there for 5, 4. Make sure your back knee is straight. Left knee should be 90 degree and parallel to the ground. Last 2 and 1. Be in same position. Once again, bend your right toe towards your right side. This time, take your both the hands up. Breathe in. Look up and hold this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your hands, change your leg position simultaneously, raise your arms up, hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your legs at same position. Now once again, right toe towards your right side. Keeping your both the knees straight. Inhale, raise your both the arms up. We'll go for next posture, triangle posture. Bend towards your right, keeping your right palm on the ground. Left arm straight and look up. The key point is you should not bend forward or backward. Keep your torso straight and look up. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly raise up, come to center. Turn your toes. Switch your side. Keeping your both the knees straight, bend towards your left. Try to keep your both the left arm on the ground. If you cannot, you can hold your ankle, respective ankle, and hold the posture with normal breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in, center. Bring your both the legs in front, hands down, and come back to normal standing posture. Now loosen your legs little bit, shake your legs, shake your arms, loosen the limbs. Okay. So now next, we'll go for one posture which is known as Vrikshasana, a tree posture, which will show your balance, how much focused, how much concentrated you are. Okay. So keep your left toe firmly on the ground. Bend your right knee. Keep your right heel on the left inner thigh. Okay? Do very slowly. When you feel comfortable and confident here, raise your both the arms at Namaskar Mudra at your heart center. Once you are stable here, keep concentrating at any one point. Keep gazing at any one particular point. When you're comfortable here, raise your both the arms up and hold the posture for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your arms back to the center. Release your arms, release your leg. Now we'll go for the other leg also. Who have chronic knee pain, please avoid this posture. Now bring your left leg to the right inner thigh. Okay, now adopt Namaskar Mudra at your heart center. First find your focus here. Be stable. Continuously gaze at one point. Now breathe in, raise your both the arms up, elbow straight. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your both the hands back to the center and release the posture. Once again, loosen your legs. Shake your legs to the front and back. Okay. Now we'll go for Surya Namaskar, but some modified version, which will be included are stability and balance posture. So you can follow with me. Come at any one point, the edge of the mat, legs together, hand side of the body. Adopt Namaskar Mudra to heart center. Go for 2 rounds of deep breathing here. Go for thoracic breathing. As you breathe in, expand your thoracic region. Fill your lungs with the air. As we exhale, the thoracic region sink it down. One more round. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now we'll go for the first step of Surya Namaskar. Raise both the arms up. Bend back as much as you can from the lower back. Exhale, bend forward. You put the palms to the respective sides. Forehead touching your knee. Now inhale, come to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Take your right leg back. Stay in that posture. Now change. Take your left leg back, come to plank posture, Chaturanga Dandasana, look front. Your whole body should be in a straight one line. Now exhale, your knees down, your chest and chin on the ground. Flatten your toes on the ground. Inhale, raise up to Bhujanga Asana. Roll your shoulders back and look up. Inhale and exhale. Come to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Your both the heels touching the ground. Look at your navel region. Inhale, bring your left leg between your palms. Look front. Inhale, come to Padhastasana and exhale. Go down. Inhale, raise both the arms up. Bend back. We'll continue for 2 more rounds. Exhale. This time, take your left leg back. Come to Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale. Look front. Your knee should be touching on the ground. Now, change. Exhale. Come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Your elbow should be towards your body. Now flatten your toes. Inhale. Come to Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale. Come to Parvatasana. Inhale. Bring your right leg between your palms. Come to Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale. Come to Padhastasana. Inhale up. Take your both the hands. Now we'll go for last round and hold the posture, each posture for 5 counts. Exhale. Hold the Padhastasana at least for 5 counts with normal breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your right leg back. Look front, you put the palms on the ground. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change. Come to plank posture. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Raise up to Bhujangasana. Hold the posture here, both the heels touching each other. Roll your shoulders back, look up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, come to Parvatasana. Look at your navel region band. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left palm between your left palms. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Come to Padhastasana. Bend forward, try to touch your forehead on the knees. Keep your knees straight. Do not bend your knees like this. Straight. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, bend back and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Relax for a while. In standing posture only, apart your legs. Loosen your hands, close your eyes. Relax in Sithila, Tadasana. Go for 3 rounds of thoracic breathing. Inhale through both the nostril. Exhale through the nostril. Inhale. Expand the thoracic region. Exhale. Sink your thoracic region down. Last round. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax completely. Okay. Now we'll go for one more posture in standing, which is known as Garudasana. Okay. So how we have to perform? Just look at me once, then we'll perform all together. Okay. Take your right leg and wrap around your left leg. Okay. So micro bend your left knee and this. Okay. In the same way, you have to wrap your right arms into your left palm in front of your face. This is the final posture of Karunasana. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Unwrap your arms. Take your leg and center. We'll perform from the other side also. Keep your right leg firmly on the ground. Wrap your left leg. Wrap your arms opposite direction and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come back to sitting posture. Stretch both the legs in front. Apart your legs, hands behind your back, finger pointing outward. Lean back, loosen your neck back, close your eyes, and go for one long deep breath in. Exhale completely out. Come back to center. Join both the legs together, hand side of your buttocks, palm facing front. Okay? Now we'll go for some loosening practices of knees or joint practices. Bend your right knee, interlock your fingers under your knee. Okay? Other toe should be flexed towards you, your back should be straight. Now inhale, raise your leg up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now take your leg up and make a rotation from the right knee. 1, 2. Try to make a big circle as much as you can. 3, 4, and 5. Now anti-clockwise, same knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your right leg. Now bend your left leg at knee. Interlock your fingers and stretch your leg up and down. On a count, 2, 3, 4. Keep your back straight. 5, 6, 7. Now take your leg up and make a circle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise, same leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch your legs in front. Okay. Now we'll go for Vakrasana. Bend your right leg at knee. Keep your right hand behind your back. Okay. Once again, do not leave this leg stretched towards you. Inhale, raise your arm up, left arm up. Exhale and bend. Hold at your ankle. Twist back, look back as much as you can. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your arms back. Release your leg. Okay, now we'll perform from the other leg too. Bend your left leg at knee, left hand behind your back. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale and twist. Hold your ankle. If you cannot hold, just push the elbow with the knee. Okay? Twist back, look back. You can close your eyes and feel the positive effect at your respiratory system as this posture is good for respiratory system. It massages our abdominal organ, good for diabetes too. Hold for a while. Breathe in. Come back to center. Now next, we'll go for Janusarasana. So bend your left leg at knee. Keep your left sole at your right inner thigh. Do not keep it in, just keep it beside, touching your at inner thigh. Flex your toe towards you. Inhale, interlock your fingers, stretch your both the arms up. Exhale. Catch, try to catch your ankle, your toes. If you cannot, ankles, if cannot, wherever you can reach, just hold your leg, elbows on the ground, and bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the knees. Okay? Now inhale up, exhale down. 3, inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. Last 5, inhale up. This time we'll hold there, exhale, and hold for 5 counts. Be there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in, come up. Release your hands down and switch your legs. Okay? Once again, interlock your fingers, stretch your both the arms up, lengthen your spine, stretch your toe towards you. As you exhale, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. Last 5, inhale up, stretch your spine. Now exhale from your lower back. Hold your leg wherever you can, elbows on the ground, forehead on your knees. Hold with normal breath. Do not hold your breath, only the posture. Be there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Stretch your leg. Once in the legs in Sthira Dandasana. Hands behind your back, legs apart. Press your leg towards your either side or leave towards the back. come back to center. Now lie down at your back. Relax in Shavasana for a while. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Rest your back on the ground. We'll go for last posture, Pavan Muktasana. Bend both the legs at knee. Bring your knees towards the abdomen, interlock your fingers, push your knees towards your abdomen. And be here for a while with normal breath. As this posture gives massages to the abdominal organ, good for diabetes, digestive, good for constipation, relieving constipation. Just be there with normal breath. Hold the posture for a while. Now breathe in, breathe out. Bring your head towards you between your toe. Keep your tip of the nose or chin to between your knees. Inhale, go back. Exhale. Raise your head up. Inhale. Back. Exhale. Last round and hold for 5 counts. Be there. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your head back on the ground. Unlock your palms. Stretch your both the legs in front and relax in Shavasana. Lie down completely. Collapse your whole body weight on the ground and feel that your body got no weight. Mentally scan your whole body. Relax each and every joint of your body. Relax each and every muscles of your body. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your blood circulation. Loosen and relax each and every body part at your lower part of your body. Relax each and every body part, each and every cell at your middle part of your body. Relax your facial muscles and gently shift your awareness at your tip of the nostril and observe the natural flow of your breath. Keep your right palm on your abdomen, left palm on your thoracic region, elbows on the ground, relax completely. Now, as you breathe in, feel your abdominal movement. As you breathe in, abdomen bulges up, expand the thoracic region, exhale, thoracic region down, abdomen in. Go for 4 more rounds of full yogic breathing. Breathe in, abdomen out, expand the thoracic region, your thoracic region down as you exhale, abdomen in. Continue for 3 more rounds and relax your whole body completely. Surrender yourself to the nature. Try to avoid thoughts in your mind and your mind focus on your breath. Now go for last round of full yogic breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Release your both the palm back on the ground. Feel that the positive energy channelizing to your whole body from the tip of the toes to your top of the head. Rotate that positive energy to each and every cell with the flow of your blood reaching each and every part. Feel that your body has become lighter and lighter like a feather floating in a cosmos. Now, bring your awareness back to the body surface. Gently move your toes, move your fingers, turn your neck towards your right and left. Join your both the legs together. Interlock your fingers, stretch your both the hands up above your head. Stretch your hands, your toes down. Stretch your whole body in opposite direction. Exhale and release. Now bend your one leg at knee, back toward, roll down to any one side of your body without disturbing your state. Make a pillow of your one arm, bend your both the knees. Be here for a while in a linear awareness. Now, without disturbing a state of silence, with minimal movement, come back to sitting posture. Sit with eyes closed. Keep your both the palms back on your knees. Let your eyes be closed. Stay in the state of silence as long as you can. In that state of silence, raise a positive affirmation. Any positive statement in your mind, it could be I'm happy, I am healthy, I'm abundant. Repeat that statement in your mind for 3 rounds in your own mother tongue. Now, maintaining that positivity throughout your day, throughout your life. We'll conclude this session with 1 round of Omkara Shanti. Adopt Namaskar Mudra at your heart center. Breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Keep your both the palms on the ground, bow down to Mother Earth. Give a salutation to Mother Earth. Inhale, come up. Once again, you both the hands at Namaskar Mudra at your heart center. Thanking your God, parents, teacher for happy, healthy, and successful life. A gratitude towards our loved one. Now slowly wrap the both the palms together. Make a cup of your palm. Give a warm massage to your eyes, to your face. Once again, rub both the palms together. Give a warm massage to your neck, back, your arms, your legs. Open your eyes with few blinks looking at your palm, maintaining a gentle smile on your face. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.